The Journal of Nicholas Creswell, June 14th, 1775. Some of Captain Cressup's people had camped here for 4 days killing meat, but intend to set out for Fort Pitt tomorrow. Our company intend to go with them and trust to Providence for provision. I think this is a foolish act, but will not contradict them. Bought a buckskin to make breeches. The Memoir of William Nolan, The Bark-Covered House. Father and I went hunting one day. I took my shotgun, loaded with a half a charge of shot and 3 rifle bullets, which just chambered in the barrel, so I thought I was ready to shoot at anything. Father went ahead and I followed him. We walked very carefully in the woods looking for deer. We went upon a sand ridge where Father saw a deer and shot at it. I recollect well how it looked. It was a beautiful deer, almost as red as a cherry. After he shot, it stood still. I asked Father in a whisper if I might not shoot, and he said, "Keep still."
This way.
The Journal of Nicholas Creswell, Saturday, June 17th, 1775. Got plenty of mulberries, very sweet and pleasant fruit, but bad for the teeth. One of our company shot a deer. The loudest thunder and heaviest rain I ever saw this afternoon. Got to camp well wet and most heartily tired. From the narrative of Daniel Boone. I surveyed the famous river Ohio that rolled in silent dignity, marking the western boundary of Kentucky with inconceivable grandeur. At a vast distance I beheld the mountains lift their venerable brows and penetrate the clouds. All things were still. I kindled a fire near a fountain of sweet water and feasted on the loin of a buck, which a few hours before I had killed. The sullen shades of night soon overspread the whole hemisphere, and the earth seemed to gasp after the hovering moisture. My roving excursion this day had fatigued my body and diverted my imagination. I lay me down to sleep, and I awoke not until the sun had chased away the night. The Journal of Nicholas Cresswell, Monongahela River, Monday, May 1st, 1775. This river is about 100 yards broad, and it confluxes with the Youghiogheny River. We fell down a little below Braddock's Field, where we camped in a heavy shower of rain. One of our company shot a wild turkey, which made us an excellent supper.